Today, everyone, from students to entrepreneurs, relies on digital tools every day. And that means everyone needs simple, practical, and powerful cyber habits. In this video, I'll show you the 7 essential rules to stay protected online, without being an expert. Rule number 1. Always use strong and unique passwords. Avoid names, birthdays, and anything predictable. Use a password manager. It creates and stores complex passwords for you. Rule number 2. Activate two-factor authentication wherever possible. Even if someone steals your password, they still cannot enter your accounts without your second verification step. Rule number 3. Never click on suspicious links. Phishing emails and fake websites are still the #1 attack method worldwide. If something feels urgent, scary, or too good to be true, verify before clicking. Rule number 4. Keep your devices updated. Your phone, your laptop, and even your router receive essential security updates. These updates fix vulnerabilities before hackers can exploit them. Rule number 5. Back up your important data regularly. If you are attacked by ransomware, if your device fails, or if you lose your phone, your backups will save you. Rule number 6. Limit what you share online. Cybercriminals collect your public information to guess passwords or answer security questions. Keep your personal life personal. Rule number 7. Secure your home Wi-Fi. Use WPA3 if available, change your router's default password, and disable WPS. Your home network is the first line of defense. Cybersecurity isn't about fear, it's about control. With these simple steps, you are already safer than most internet users in 2025. If you found this video useful, subscribe to TECHNAUTIQ for more simple and practical tech tips.